Welcome to our beginner-friendly deep dive into ISO 13485, the essential standard for medical device quality management. This presentation will guide you through the intricacies of ISO 13485, making it accessible and understandable for everyone. Join us as we navigate the world of medical device quality through ISO 13485. We'll explore its significance, structure, and core principles and provide a practical roadmap for implementation. This journey will equip you with the knowledge to avoid common pitfalls and take actionable steps towards certification. ISO 13485 is the internationally recognized standard for a quality management system in the medical device industry. It provides a comprehensive framework for organizations involved in the life cycle of a medical device, ensuring safety and efficacy from design to servicing. ISO 13485 emphasizes device-specific controls, addressing the unique challenges of the medical device world. Key focus areas include risk management, verification and validation, and traceability, ensuring that every aspect of the device lifecycle is meticulously managed. ISO 13485 is more than just compliance. It's a strategic business decision with far-reaching benefits. It serves as a regulatory passport, enhances commercial trust, and provides a robust foundation for meeting key regulations, making it indispensable for market access. ISO 13485 certification extends beyond manufacturers to include design houses, component suppliers, and distributors. It ensures quality is maintained across the entire medical device supply chain, highlighting the importance of compliance for all involved parties. The ISO 13485 standard is organized into 8 main clauses, with clauses 4 through 8 forming the core of your quality management system. These sections are crucial as auditors focus heavily on them during assessments, ensuring compliance and quality. Delve into the anatomy of ISO 13485 with a focus on clauses 4 to 8. These clauses cover essential aspects such as quality management systems, management responsibility, resource management, product realization, and measurement, analysis, and improvement. Remember these 5 core principles: risk-based thinking, documented evidence, design and development controls, regulatory alignment, and continuous improvement. These pillars ensure your quality management system is effective and compliant. While ISO 9001 is a general standard for quality, ISO 13485 is tailored for the medical device industry, emphasizing safety and regulatory compliance. Understanding these differences is crucial for organizations operating in high-stakes medical environments. Compare ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 across key focus areas such as risk management, regulatory link, design controls, and documentation. This comparison highlights the specific requirements and stringent controls necessary for medical device compliance. Embark on your ISO 13485 certification journey with a step-by-step roadmap. From analyzing and planning to certifying and maintaining, this guide provides a clear path to achieving and sustaining compliance in your organization. Key documents form the backbone of a compliant quality management system. Establishing and maintaining these records meticulously is crucial for successful ISO 13485 certification, ensuring all necessary documentation is in place. Take a closer look at the essential files required for ISO 13485 compliance, including quality policy, risk management files, design history file, and more. These documents are vital for demonstrating adherence to the standard's requirements. Many organizations stumble on their path to ISO 13485 certification, By being aware of common pitfalls, you can proactively steer your project towards success, ensuring a smoother certification process. Avoid common implementation traps such as a paper, QMS, copy-pasting from ISO 9001, weak supplier control, and delaying design controls. Tailor your processes to meet ISO 113485's specific requirements for a successful certification journey. Starting your ISO 13485 journey can be daunting, but focusing on high-impact activities can build momentum. Download a checklist, leverage digital tools, and invest in training to lay a solid foundation for your quality management system project. A digital quality management system is transformative for modern medical device companies. It offers faster audits, reduced errors, and centralized truth, turning static documents into a dynamic, integrated system that enhances efficiency and compliance. ISO 13485 is your organization's operating system for quality, ensuring safe and effective medical devices. Embrace continuous improvement and prioritize risk to accelerate market approvals and protect patients, making your certification journey a success. As we conclude, we invite questions and recommend immediate next steps. Form a cross-functional team, schedule a gap analysis, and begin researching digital QMS platforms. These actions will set you on the right path for ISO 13485 certification.